Don't they have to stay back?
I'd like you to stay back, just so you see what happens.
Max, get back. I'm a helper.
So we're going to put this...
You get this.
Now, what's inside here?
Nothing.
Okay.
Air.
Air, yes, air. Air is inside. We're going to put this on the stopper. And then I'm going to...
Pump it.
We're going to pump it after I kill a mosquito. There we go. Thank you. That's all right. Filled about a little less than halfway with water, and let's see what happens this time. So expect some. I don't know. I don't know what to expect.
Spray's fun. I want to get sprayed. Here, I got the ball.
All right.
2, 1.
Ignition. Hold on. Now go. Everybody does anything. Where is my head not?
Over the bottle.
My head is not over the bottle. Not.
Let's experiment what will happen if we die.
Yes, let's not. Let's say we did.
Alright.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Good job, Paul. Hey, Paul. Only get away from it.
3, 2, 1. Ignition.
It's gonna go that way. Watch out! Guys, everyone over there, watch out. Scatter!
So I'm starting to tilt towards you guys. Careful.
Oh!